like bouncing?
It's a nail. It's a nail. Whoa! Wait, what's it?
Deactivated. Deactivated.
What are you guys saying?
Hands up, hands up. Body in the motion. Dance away my trouble.
Yes, sir, it's Georgie. And I'm back with another YouTube video. I have no idea where Esther is. Oh, there she is. So today is the big day. It's Lola's birthday on Sunday. It's currently Friday, July 10th. I hope you guys can hear me. How am I supposed to cross the street? Okay. Huh? What? Wait, did you see that? This guy stopped to like take down my number, something like that. I said, okay. He said stuff. I was just doing this on my phone.
Oh, you take it down?
I think I took it down. You would call it?
I'm dead, though.
He said, yeah, take my number down. I was like, wait, hold on. I'm vlogging. Woo! Lola, you better cry. It's like, no. Wait, that was so random. First of all, that number doesn't even seem real. Whose number starts with 347?
He's probably from New York.
He's from New York? Y'all know the New York guys are aggressive.
Don't let my heart turn cold. Have mercy on many men.
Wow, okay, ladies and gentlemen, so we are now picking up the food. I'm waiting in the car because we're high-key illegally parked. Guys, all I know is that Lola better cry because so many things are going wrong right now. I definitely told Lola that I was working from 10 to 6, but I left at around like 2:30. Now I'm with Esther picking up the Thai food. This is very stressful, okay? A lot. Little do you know, you're just living your life, doing simple, doing, you know, fun, get ready, makeup, work, chill, and we're over here stressing out. What's poppin', you guys? I'm back. Okay, so a lot has happened, and I really haven't been able to videotape a lot of the things because it's just been really hectic, like a lot's going on. Like first, you know how I said we ordered the Thai food in the small shops, like the appetizer? Yeah, we got all the way back and realized that we got the wrong food order, so we were kirking on the phone with them for like a good 5 minutes, and Esther just went to go back to go get the correct food. So now we're delayed. We'll see if these eyes turn out how I want them to. Honestly, I don't care at this point, but you guys are gonna see, okay? Yeah, what's poppin'?
Hey, y'all.
Lola and Tommy are in the building, y'all.
Great. We going for our girl today. We going
I need to
for
see some tears. Ah, baby, baby, baby. Ah.
Oh my gosh. I was like, wait, actually, you're gonna roll me. I'm not gonna post none of this yet. I gotta organize my feet. Okay, look at me. Birthday. We want to. I mean, sorry, I meant to say 23. I don't know why I said 21st. I'm childish.
I'm screaming.
Thank you God so much for allowing her to see 23 years. Amen. The blessings that are going to be on her life this year. Amen. The husband that she's going to find this year.
Amen.
In Jesus' name.
Period. Thank you. Thank you. You're the best sister in the whole world. I miss you so, 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 so.
Let me tell her something. We did that. That's on period. I'm crying too. I don't care.
Wait, I wasn't supposed to cry though.
Yep.
It's okay, Lola. We know you miss her. She misses you too.
Yeah, girl. Yep.
Open your meat.
Yeah.
Press release.
He said I didn't.
You don't have to sign a press release.
Hey, Greg, turn around.
Hey, what's poppin'? What's poppin'?
Like good?
What's up?
Yeah.
I'm wholesome. Women just break my heart. Are you recording that?
Yeah.
Don't do that.
You said woman do it?
Women just break my heart. Women are mean. Y'all are evil. I'm a
Are you wholesome?
I'm Yoruba. I'm an angel.
I thought
Say, I'll jab me in your chest right now.
I thought yours were.
We're angels. We're angels.
Oh.
There is not a single bad thing a Yoruba man has done to a woman. And you cannot prove it. You cannot prove it.
I can prove it.
If he's done it, he wasn't full Yoruba. I am full Yoruba. So we're angels. Honestly. Niggas be having a little bit of Ghanaian in them, Caribbean. He's not full Yoruba. It's okay. If you trace his genealogy, it has like something in the past. Honestly. Oh shit.
What did you say?
Show them the facial hair. I showed them that. It's coming.
What facial hair?
Move, it's coming.
Going.
I don't know. Hello, sir.
I started at 7:30 this morning.
Oh,
Jesus,
wow.
no.
Good
Wait,
job.
let's turn back.
7:30. Wait, what time is it?
This is where you find snakes, right?
Sorry, I'm making a YouTube. Sorry. I didn't ask if you wanted to be in it. Right, bet.
Hey, see, I always gotta be prepared for the word.
Wow. This is cute. Photo shoot?
Oh yeah, there's something in the water. Bro,
Stop playing. Stop playing. If an alligator comes, if I see an alligator, oh, it stops. Ooh, this is cute.
Oh wow, it's already on it. Damn, this water got. Did it rain recently?
Yeah, it rained last night.
It did?
Yeah.
Where was I at last night?
Say it again. What happened? Explain.
Females are able to like they are organized, so therefore they be doing stuff like that man don't even think about.
Yeah, but that's y'all own fault.
No, exactly. So that means y'all even are worse. Y'all worse.
How?
Y'all grimier. Yeah.
Push him off. Push him off.
No, like yeah, it's like
No, we don't. How?
guys just do stuff like without thinking about it. The fact that y'all planning it out makes it even worse. Like stuff the guys do is like it just be in the moment. They don't even think about it. Like the fact, like if I have to plan something, that means like.
Who said I planned it?
Exactly. Maybe I just did it too.
Exactly.
Nah, but
Maybe I'm a nigga like you.
No.
Exactly.
No.
But
Most
this
of
niggas is explaining murder. It was it's not. See, when we do it, it's not premeditated. But when y'all do it,
We shoot without thinking.
It's on site.
So basically, you're saying that you guys don't think.
No, we're not saying that. It's like if you have
That's
to plan
probably what it
something.
is.
If you
Yeah,
have
that's what I heard.
That's what I
Nah,
heard
if
too.
you have to.
It only takes a little bit of white brainwash to activate the food chain.
They got you. Stop listening to the white man's programs, y'all. Deactivated. Deactivated. Y'all out here liking white women? Couldn't be me.
Cannot be me.
I don't think it's a. Yeah. How do you say it's a demon? Nobody's even in there.
They come out the trees.
You can check.
All right. I think this is a good distance.
I think we should get closer. I need footage. Wow, this is really nice. No? Wow. Interesting. You guys are so scary. Just walk further. Nobody's here. Y'all see a murderer? Come on, guys. He said, I'm from Africa. Yeah.
I'm from the village.
Exactly.
Why?
I don't think I can fit.
Yes, you can. That's enough.
I don't think I'm gonna go in, but you know, I think that I videotape. Wait, so we're lost?
Nah.
Back to where we came.
I mean, what? Which way? Back from where? Yeah, I think so.
Not by sight.
Yeah.
Screaming. What was that?
I was just looking.
You guys?
Hey, put the camera back on me though. Damn. Hey, you see this bone structure? Yeah.
I'm screaming. Yeah, our friend is a little bit.
Take us back to
I'm great.
Yeah.
They said they just want to hold my hand. I don't know.
That's not why.
They got scared. They got
That's
scared
not
because they
why.
heard rustling. So I don't know.
We found our way back.
No, we didn't.
We were
No.
lost. We found our way back.
What's poppin', you guys? I'm on my way to a video shoot for Tides, and I just feel as though every day is something that always happens that just messes up the whole entire day. So basically, for Tides, we have to wear all white, like our all white dresses, and like, tell me why I'm searching, looking for this all white dress. I can't find it. I'm like, wow, I'm gonna be on time. Ooh, right? It's 6 o'clock. I've been searching for the dress for 15 minutes. I'm like, wait, where's this dress? Like, am I tripping? Go downstairs. I'm like, oh yeah, I was supposed to wash it. Go downstairs. It's not there. So I call my mom, like, where you put the white clothes that I left downstairs? She's like, oh, I don't know. Let me ask your dad. She asks my dad. Guess where he put the clothes? And he took it to the dry cleaner. So now I'm gonna be late. No, actually I'm already late. Supposed to be there at 6:30. It's past 6:30 already. So lovely. Y'all, okay, so I'm here. Guess what just happened? Tell me why the guard tried to get my number. Second day in a row that this happened. What's
Welcome to our video shoot.
Period. Wait, that was fake. And behind the scenes, BTS, Tides. Wow, it looks so nice. Say hi, Pam.
Yeah, that's what I think. I think that's what.
Where's he at? All the way over there.
Yeah, there we go.
This is a gated community. Please get on my property. Woo. Oh, face. Thank you. Pose. Go, Nia. Hey, go, Nia. Go, Nia.
Come on, Nyla. Go, Nyla.
Go, Nyla.
Go, Nyla.
Come on, Nyla. Good morning. Woo! It's your birthday. It's your birthday. It's your birthday. Make some noise. You guys are on our way to church, and
Look at these roads, guys. It's giving Nigeria. It's giving Lagos.
I don't know why the roads are doing foreign. Foreigner.
How are we in Colombia?
Foreigner.
Foreigner.
Jeez.
Colombia is doing all this. It's my turn.
See, it even added a minute to our arrival time.
Now we're gonna get there on time instead of early.
We're gonna be 1 minute early. Now we're gonna be 1 minute late, most likely.
Whatever you want to do.
Wait, guys. Wait. There's fire on the candle. Wait, guys. Let's see the cake. Period. Make a wish. Mm-hmm.
Thank you. All right, guys, ready? Oh wait,
What is wrong?
oh shit, this one got saved.
Yeah.
Doing cringe for a second. Wait, just.
Dang, why does my butt cheek hurt?
Your butt cheek?
Yeah, like I think it's because I was walking.
Maybe a record on.
Dang, no back.
That's what your cheek.
I know, that's what I'm saying.
Ready? Yeah. Okay, ready. Watch. I'm sorry, I know I
What? Did you make a wish?
Did you?
Yeah, what was the wish?
Wait.
For your future husband?
Happy birthday.
Wait.
Thank you. Wait, Georgina. Husband?
Is that what you wish for? It's okay, I got you.
Of course I did. Thank you so much.
Hey vlog. Okay, so now I'm at Esther's place and I'm flat ironing. Jesus words. I'm flat ironing Lola's hair. We're on the way to another friend's birthday function. It's giving grown and sassy. Yeah, it really is. Puerto Rico and Maryland.
The car was coming, sorry.
There go Lola over there. Y'all don't want to see how I look. Solo.
I was a little sad that I didn't graduate.
Lola's birthday babe. Come on. Esther! Wait, I just want you to know that these rows are whiny. What's going on, Esther? I didn't know. Whoa! I'm literally falling out the car. I'm literally in the road right now. Wow. First of all, tell me she's not even driving in. Tell me she's not even driving in the line. Oh, Jesus. What is that sound?
I didn't my seatbelt on.
Put your seatbelt on. This is serious. Let me put it on for you.
We gon' always be together, baby.
That's what you told me, and I
ain't never had nobody do me like you. Never had nobody on me. All the things that you done show me in a special way. I feel when you hold me, we gon' always be together, baby. That's what you told me, baby. I believe it. I ain't never had nobody do me like you. That was just a home song.
those weren't the right lyrics, but it's okay.
Keep it real.
First got together, started
Light.
It's better that way, right?
Sexy can I just part of my man?
Girl, how you shake it? Gotta play it like that moment. Get my camera. All I want.
Sexy can I? Hey, get it from the back. Hey, wait.
This just in. Breaking news. Come on. Girl, how you shake it? What?
Wow, too much. I got you.
I can't do this thing for life without you here with me, 'cause I'm dangerously in love with you. Come here, really, just keep on with me. The way you love me, 'cause I'm in love with you. Wait, can't do this thing for life without you. Dangerously in love with you.
popping, y'all.
Brandy with what's comping.
Yeah, it is.
I got
Come on.
options.
Wow. We're at the drive-in movie theater. I'm just gonna do a... You said no vlogging during the meet. How would he have an umbrella? You knew. Crystal, you knew. Wait, Crystal.
Wait,
It's actually pouring. I don't know when this happened.
it's not pouring.
It is.
Georgina, this is drizzle at its finest.
Wait. I wish y'all could see my face. Wait.
I'm so sorry.
Crystal. That was the horn. Mm-hmm. Yeah. Yeah. Should I bring a blanket?
I'm sorry.
Okay, you guys, that's a wrap. My weekend is over. It's 12:25. I have work tomorrow in the afternoon. So I'm about to go to bed. That's the end of my weekend. It was lit. Hopefully I got footage because I was very disoriented this whole weekend, honestly. So I just hope that I have enough entertaining footage because it was fun. But I don't know if it's going to reflect that in the videos. But stay tuned for my next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And add me on, what is that? And add me on my social medias handles in the description. I'm tired. I'm so tired. This weekend was a success, okay? So happy. Celebrate your friends, you guys. Life's too short. Life's too short. That's a wrap. Good night.